24 CCR 101, the state of Texas versus LaDonna Renee Lewis. And you are here with your attorney, Mr. Nayland, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary? In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about November 8th, 2020, is that a 3? Yeah, 2023. 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the third-degree felony of misapplication of fiduciary or.
Did you notice how the judge stumbled on the date? Even he knows paperwork can be messy, but for her, the defendant, this is no small slip. She's facing a felony accusation, and trust me, this courtroom is about to decide her future.
Financial property of an amount more than $30,000, but less than $150,000. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a third-degree felony, you face a term of not more than 10 years or less than 2 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Post no wage.
Picture this. The judge, calmly lays it out. 2 to 10 years in prison, plus up to 10 grand in fines. And she just has to sit there and say, yes, sir. Would you hold it together if a man in a black robe read out that fate to you?
The way we're getting all this changed, when you touch the pad with your hands, it makes marks on it. That's why I don't know what has happened to all these things. They didn't used to do this, and now they're acting odd. An agreement's been reached.
You're just going, there's restitution, and then we're going to ask you to decide whether it's straight or deferred in the terms.
Okay. The agreement is she would be placed on probation.
Yes, sir. There's just no blank check that says just probation.
Okay, we need, because the way this reads, there's no consideration moving to make a contract here. This just says restitution, court to determine type of probation. Let's see.
Because one says deferred, one says after conviction placed on probation. There's no one that says court to determine type and length.
All right. I've got the agreement is probation to be determined by the court. Restitution will be paid in the amount of $8,966.09. And then under just court to determine time, but it's under non-binding, but that's, I'll change that. We're talking about community supervision here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it's up to the judge to decide how many years. Is that what I'm going to do?
It's whether or not it's a deferred or a straight probation and the terms goes.
Okay. So what I think I'm going to do, there's really no non-binding recommendation being made, is there? This is all.
Right. It's just, this is just.
Okay. So I'm going to take the following binding. We'll check out community supervision. Did y'all agree on a term of use?
This is where his words matter most. He's weighing probation options, but here's the catch for her. Deferred probation wipes the conviction if she succeeds, while straight probation leaves that felony scar on her record forever. One choice changes her life, the other chains it.
Years on probation, or is that my call?
That's your call, Crystal.
Okay. I'm gonna put up to 10 is what.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement of probation, deferred or regular probation, and order restitution, and this can be up to 10 years in length, it's the court's call, but whatever term of probation the court assesses, it can be shortened to 1/3 if you do well and complete probation. So 10 gets you 3 1/3
Yes, sir.
if you do well. You're going to do well.
Absolutely.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 here. So you sign that document, understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
No objection.
Without objection. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with? The indictment's been read. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. I think we need a pre-sentence report. So everybody can then sound in, and because deferred, regular probation, one's got a conviction, one's not, and it depends on factors and circumstances that I don't know about. Okay, what we'll do is we're going to order a pre-sentence report. You will touch base with the probation officer here in a minute, and you will come. They will interview you, and they will make a report. We will return back on.
We're going to tentatively set for September the 26th, Judge.
September 26th.
Missing your phone?
Yeah. All right, let me draw my other way.
Maybe that chair left.
I called China away a little bit.
Correct.
You said September 26th.
Another Friday.
I can. I was like, sure, I gotta be in Tampa on this that case that week, but it's the beginning.
So that's good.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, we will return. Then you will get a copy here, and then all parties can add any additional information you want me to consider, and the court will be fair.
You should.
And this is all fixable. And look, I'll tell you, when it comes to restitution, you pay the restitution back, you're going to get rewarded.
Judge, out of what she's taken, she already paid back over $25,000 of the restitution.
And listen to how he frames it. She's already repaid over $25,000, and the judge makes one thing crystal clear. Pay fast, and you earn his favor. In this courtroom, her money is more than restitution. It's leverage for leniency.
You pay it
to the remaining.
complete, and the quicker you do it, the more happy I am about taking care of this, because the people aren't getting interest on it. They've lost. They're not getting interest, which isn't. I think that's unfair, actually. But the quicker you get them paid back, the quicker they can use the money that was lost, and that you get rewarded for that. Okay, and just a little word to the wise. But restitution is a key part of this case. Okay. Thank you.
Join the Courtwire family for daily courtroom showdown. Subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit bell icon button.